man, if ever a man marched to his own drummer, he truly was an island in terms of managing his own career and his own artistic output, for better or worse. He knew I was a Prince fan. He knew I loved his music. And when I did disagree with him about things, I could say it and he'd listen. I started feeling a calling when I was in my 30s, late 30s. The calling of curiosity about the natural world. And it felt an awful lot like the calling I felt to be in the music business when I was a kid. And sure enough, what I needed in order to do something about it was a hit record. And so in 1998, one just came along, and that was Barenaked Ladies invited me to produce their next record, which was Stunt. And I only had 3 weeks. They were so fast, they're so good at what they do, and they said, we'll take it. Done. It wasn't until the Stunt album hit that I had the money to actually leave the music business. I lived on it while I entered the University of Minnesota as a freshman in 2000 and did 4 straight years there, dual major, and then went straight to McGill to do my PhD work.